to your colleagues. May I greet Umphathiwami, send a special greetings and extend my welcome to her. May I also extend the greetings to the Office of the Chief Directorate, District Operations, Mamu Lamini, Mamu Spisi, Baba, Unkosi, and all the circuit managers, acting CSs, and the circuit managers present. I'm not going to, because we have an umphathwami zokukhuluma nje kodwa ngizolezithe ey'ntathu ngoba umphathwami uzobese yazisho. I was actually expected to be the one welcoming you today, and I want to extend our apology that we could not, due to some challenges that we were faced with within the department that we needed to attend to. They could not actually be attended to by myself only, but it needed the higher office. That is why I'm with my chief director here. It needed even the biggest office of the department. We are meeting as this gathering. It's a matter of us, circuit managers. We know that we are the first line management at the level of the strategy. We want to look into sharpening our leadership, our accountability, and also to strengthen the learning outcomes, ensure that there's effectiveness in our schools. I know that what we have shared this morning, as you indicated, Mam Dlamini, is going to assist our circuit managers when they go out there to implement, to support their schools, to ensure that there is improved learning outcomes in our schools. We know we are already at that level, but we want to ensure that we strengthen all what we already have acquired. So we want to say your leadership must be visible. Your leadership must be visible. What is important is that as a district, we said we are a data-driven district. We are using the data to establish our actions, to ensure that there is support in our schools. So we must also be data-driven, continuously data-driven. Special because we are hosting them, and thank you for finding yourself in this state-of-the-art maritime school of excellence. Yeah. Yeah, and we appreciate that you are part of this engagement. We also are expected to ensure that there is strong instructional leadership provided by yourself. Then we monitor school functionality with discipline and integrity. And we know that there are quite a number of risks out there, and we use data to determine those risks, to detect those risks. We use data to see which school you need to prioritize. You use data to see which intervention you need to make. So I was quite pleased when I looked at the program, Chief Direct. It actually shows that you actually have the great leadership and visionary leadership in your office. The manner this particular program is packed, it's packaged in the key areas that will help us as a district to become a viable district, to become a district that wins. So sibheke number one ke ngithi kodwa phela ngesisikhombisa sodwa nelembe ngacathi nalo libheke number one nathi sibheke number one and that alone is actually saying let us use the instruments that are there to assist us to get there at that level. Ngibukile ukuthi there are colleagues that are going to be sharing on secular D3 which in its nature is saying we must implement a systems-wide approach. We don't have any option, but to ensure that even at the primary school, that is actually the work is happening, so that we lay the right foundation. So I'm not going to get into the details because but I would like that as I sit down, ukuthi ngikhumbuze nje ukuthi ke khona amagama of that were used by our great leader John F. Kennedy, who said leadership and learning are indispensable to each other. So what we are doing here, it's because for us to grow and continually be able to contribute meaningfully to what we are doing and what we are going to do, and to make a difference in the lives of the young people who are going to be the future of our country. It's actually needing this particular kind of exercise that now and again we come together like this, we put together our heads, we put together our ideas, and we look into the policy, we look into the legislation, we get guided to say what is it that needs to be done and how do we prioritize all of that. With that, I wish you well and thank you for coming together. I know ukuthi omakhelwane ubabweni ungeza ngomakhelwane umakhelwane wethu njengoba nomakhelwane sithanda ukuthelelana ngezinto ezinhle. So already omakhelwane bethu bayaperforma. If siperforma sonke, we will maintain the position number one in the country as KZN, and if we all perform, we will always keep that healthy competition that